Although I will say the technology here at the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center,
oh, wow.
You want to know about this,
that
right?
Cool.
So it's the art of beauty, the science of youth. And this is a new med spa. They've got a couple locations in Southern California. They're expanding to Las Vegas and Arizona. Incredible. I went for an amazing facial last week. Truly transformed.
I feel like you just get younger and younger all the time.
Exactly.
I'm beginning to understand why.
It was thanks to my hydrofacial at the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, and I'm really excited because they really want to work with us and offering us new treatments and technologies, because really there is so much science going into really making us feel beautiful from the inside out. We talk a lot about that on Transformation Tuesday.
I'm obsessed with research and stem cells. My dad knows so much about it. I'm like amazed. So I'm like asking him all about it. You can now get, you can have, of course, they've like approved it for the joints, but I'm like, what about the face and da-da-da? So it's like, it's all in the works. It's gonna be interesting to see how it all transforms.
Well, and they work a lot with hormone treatments and not just the facials, but some cool sculpting.
Wow. Like a whole body makeover there, huh?
Oh, you're into it, Rob.
I'm into that, yeah. I'm into the results. I don't need to know everything about the details, as long as it's not really anything that's like too detrimental as a side effect. I'm good. But yeah, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, no, it's really exciting. So we're excited to be sharing more about our personal transformation journeys with you and the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation
We're
Center.
all about being guinea pigs for that, just saying. So
I accept the challenge.
It's just a body.